Breaking news, Chuck! The Violent Thorns are finally signed a sixth player. Looks like they're finally getting Jet somehow.
Yes! A crocodile? No. Bigger. A gorilla.
We go now to owner
That's
Forrest
what I'm talking
Everson
about.
with an exclusive interview.
We signed Roarballs. First small.
A small what?
We got a little
A what?
teeny
A what now?
tiny
Come again?
goat.
A goat?
Oh, not again!
Florence Marjorie Everson! You're signing a goat? Have you lost your mind?
Okay, excuse me. You're the one who asked for a team who could win the claw, and you didn't care how. Remember?
Well, I care about this. I can't play with a goat. He's an embarrassment to the team. He's an embarrassment to the city.
He's sitting right there.
Hey!
You gotta be kidding me. I couldn't even see him in the chair, Flo. How am I supposed to see him on the court?
I'll be the goat in the Thorns jersey. You feel me?
Uh-huh. Look away, Flo. I'm just gonna eat him. Yeah, I'm gonna eat him with a side of ranch dressing. And we're gonna act like none of this happened.
Whoa! I do not taste good. I thought you said she knew.
It's my job to bend the truth, Will. Come on. It's also my job to play the long game. This is generating more attention than we have had in years. You don't want him on the court, that's your call. But he stays on the roster. Oh, you must have lost your mind. Put your paw down. You should be elated. The stars have aligned perfectly because the press is dying to meet Will. Will, down. Get down.
Oh, okay.
And I want you to introduce him.
No, not happening.
Yes, you are. They're actually waiting for you right downstairs. So keep them tails up high, yes? Big smiles. Love you both. Now get out.
Jet, hey. I just wanted you to know this is my dream come true. I mean, to play with you like my favorite player of all time. I know I'm not what you expected, but I've spent my whole life training for this moment. And if you just give me a shot.
Look, kid. I saw your little viral video. Maine baked you like a birthday cake. Yeah, no, I'm gonna enjoy watching the piranhas eat you alive.
Jet, over here. Jet, over here. Over here. Will, hi, over here. Over here.
Let's get started. Hardest questions first.
Will! Do you think going viral in a playground entitles you to play professional Roarball? Do you worry you'll let other smalls down?
Aren't you just a shameless publicity stunt to distract from another Thorns losing season?
Are you actually a goat?
Don't you just
kind of suck?
Sorry, can you repeat the question?
Hey, one at a time, y'all. This boy is not even media trained, okay?
So, Will, how does it feel to be the first small ever to sign a professional Roarball contract?
To be honest with you, it's all kind of surreal. I mean, last night I was fighting off roaches at my best friend's crib, and now I'm playing for the Thorns. You shouldn't have said that.
Will, we are getting word that the Roach community was pretty offended by your last comment. Would you care to issue an apology?
Oh, gosh, no. That's not what I meant. I love roaches.
Lies.
Can we, move on to the next question?
Here. So, Will, you're not at all concerned about being hurt? Roarball takes its toll on the toughest of bigs. I imagine for a small, it could be fatal.
Well...
No, Will knows the risks. Could he be clobbered? Possibly. Crushed? Perhaps. Killed? Probably. But that's how much he loves the game. He'd die for it. Right, Will?
Right.
What about Maine? You worried about a rematch down the line?
No way. We call this dude the Horse Whisperer, because he broke that Bronco's back, okay? You know what he was telling me earlier? He's got a nickname for Maine. He calls him My Little Pony.
I didn't say that.
You do.
I did not say that.
And he also said that Maine definitely ain't the goat. And his hair is whack too, which I also agree with.
Oh, he's dead.
Why are you doing this to me?
Last question. This one's for Jet. You're in year 15. The team's bringing on a goat to solve its problems. Do you ever wonder if it's time to hang it up?
I'm not hanging up anything, okay? I feel great right now, playing some of the best ball of my career. And please, I've played with every mutt this league has to offer. My only concern is going out there and doing what I gotta do to win the claw. And nothing, and I mean nothing, is gonna get in the way of that. Thank you. Bagels on the 3rd floor.
Over here!
Cool. I can... Okay, thank you. Bye.